the journey of remembering where I come from, meeting my ancestors, ocean, mountains, fungi, volcanoes, trees, the sun, the wind, being with the elements, and connecting with my roots. Being grateful for every single breath I take, for every move I make, for every single fruit I eat, for every song I hear, for every cloud I see, for every touch I feel. Rising with gratitude, falling asleep with gratitude. Nourishing my body, my sacred vessel, with real fresh foods. Building relationship with plants from the seed, expressing how beautiful they are and how much I love them. Learning to be a better steward, remembering my roots. Myceliating this experience with unconditional love and gratitude. Connecting with different expressions of the universe, learning from them, listening attentively, and helping when I can. Remembering my roots. Being surrendered to the guidance, trusting the flow, being open. I am loving awareness, remembering my roots.